How to buy KEK token on Bitget wallet. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, open the KEK token on CoinMarketCap. Now, after that, copy the token address from here, and remember it's under Solana network. Now, open your Bitget wallet, as you can see. So make sure to select the Solana network from here, and now add this token first, as you can see. So paste in it, and as you can see, I added before. Now for you will see it here. Just click plus and you will be added to your wallet. Now just go back and find your KEK token, as you can see. So now click on it and click on swap. Now for here, just click on switch and make sure to select the token from here, for example USDT. So make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, you will see how much you will receive of that token. Now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on the Bitget wallet. So this is how to buy KEK token on Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.